So let's talk about administrative assistant. So ano nga bang mga duties ang ginagawa ng isang administrative assistant? So take note lang guys, nakadepende to sa business ng client mo kung ano yung magiging task mo. So yung mga babanggitin kong task or yung duties ng isang administrative assistant, possible na maging work mo din or less or hindi mo siya magiging trabaho. So as I've said, nakadepende sa business ng client mo kung ano yung magiging task mo. So first, schedule meetings, manage calendars, and organize travel. Second, answer phones, response to emails, and greet visitors. So, pero kung ang client mo ay more on non-voice, so more on email management lang kayo. And then, maintaining filing systems and office supplies. So, pag minsan, ang administrative assistant, meron siyang um, access to dun sa inventory management nila ng client niya. So, pag minsan, siya na din yung umu-order ng mga kailangan na stationaries ng kanilang client. And then, prepare documents, reports, memos, and presentations. Support different departments with administrative tasks. So, ito yung merong mga clients na employees na marami na. So, ang nandyan ng admin assistant para isupport yung bawat team or bawat department kung kailangan nila ng support. And then, assist in bookkeeping, billing, and basic data entry. As I've said, nakadepende sa client mo kung ano yung magiging task mo. And then, coordinate events, meetings, and internal communications, handle confidential information with care and professionalism. So, pag minsan, sila na rin yung gumagawa ng contract depende sa business ng client. So, ayan guys, ito yung mga main duties ng isang administrative assistant, pero nakadepende yung magiging task mo kung ano yung business ng client. Pag minsan, ikaw rin ang isang administrative assistant na din ang nag-handle ng social media platform ng isang client. So, yan guys.